this lesson, we are going to be finding the measures of center from a data set. So we're going to be looking at ages of 10 women on a relay swim team. And the things that we're going to find is the mode is the first one. It's what do we see, age do we see the most? We're going to find the middle of the data. We have to put it in order from least to greatest. The mean is going to give us the average age of the swimmers. And then we're going to look to see, is there any outliers, anything far away from the data pattern that we see? So let's start by putting these in numerical order. I see I have a 21, a 19, a 22, a 21, 22, 18, 22, 20, 41, 24. So notice I kind of responded like with the 41 because that person definitely is out of like the range of most of the people. So as I'm putting them in order, I like to underline them and mark them off. 18 was the youngest, and now I'm going to my 19 was next. I see I have 120. I have 1, 2, 21s. 22s. There's 1, 2, 3. So 22, 22, 22. There were 3 of them. And I'm going now. I see I have my 24 and I have a 41. I'm going to count to make sure I have 10 listed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're good to go. When we're looking at this, I'm looking to see, is there a mode? Is there going to be a set of data that you actually see the most? And as I'm looking at my numbers that are listed, oh, notice I had 3 22s. So I know that my mode is going to be a 22. So for the median now, remember, we have it in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to count, and there's 10 of them. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is my first half, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's my second half. Well, when you have an even set of data points, you add those together. This one is kind of easy to see, but I want to make sure in case the next one you do is not easy to see. When you add these 2 points together, you get 43, and then you're going to divide it by 2. And our median for the ages that we saw is 21 and 5/10, or 21 and 1/2 years would be our median. So remember, our mean is going to be the average that we find. So we're going to have to take all of these data points and we're going to add them all up. And I'm just going to list them for you. Here I have an 18, I have a 19, and well, actually, instead of a comma, I'm going to list a plus sign there, plus my 20, plus a 21, plus a 21, putting down my 3 22s, my 24, and my 41, and we know that there were 10 of them, so we're dividing it by 10. And when I find this mean, and when I add up all those ages together, I get 230, and we're going to divide that by 10. So we know that our mean age is actually 23 years. So there is our mean. So you're going to wonder, well, why was the median and the mean, they're kind of far apart? Well, remember, I kind of gasped a little bit when I saw that there was one person that was really older than the rest. And it was our 41-year-old. Congratulations to her. But so we had one 41. is an outlier, the rest are all real close together. So when you have an outlier, it will definitely affect the mean, and the mean actually of the ages went up because of this 41-year-old. So we were looking at our mode, our median, our mean, and our outlier there. Just from this one problem, we were able to identify 4 measures of center. If this video was helpful to you today, please add a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe for more Math with Marcia. See you again soon.